To attempt BA Part 1 English paper for BSC or BCOM also, you have to understand your paper format, exam format. Asked a question that how to attempt BA Part 1 English paper and how to pass it in the minimum passing marks. So passing marks is 40 out of 100, and it is you need to understand how the format is of exam. First of all, you have 7 questions. In question number 1, you will get unseen comprehension, and let me remind you, you have 3 hours for this. Attempt all questions. Please do attempt all questions, and marks are indicated against each question. And instructions you have to follow. You don't need to do a pattern of question 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in real exam. It's your wish. You need to attempt question number 1 first. If you are feeling easy with the question number 1, you can do it very comfortably and in a good way, you can do it first. Otherwise, attempt question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and so on. Any question can be your first question in your real exam to write it on. And let me tell you, this question number 1, read the following passage and answer the questions that follow it. This is unseen comprehension. You have never seen it, but it can be from this book. This can be from another reference or from any other reference book. So you have to practice this from these 2 books that I have shown in the previous video, and you can practice this from book. From the previous 2004, pick up from the 2004 or 2005, whatever solved papers, past solved papers you have got it. If you have solved past papers, you can practice question number 1 from them. And second question is related to first question. Write a summary of the above passage. So if you are going to write a summary of this, you just have to pinpoint main points of this whole passage. For summary, there is a tip. Read the 2 lines, starting 2 lines and ending 2 lines. Then you will get the idea what the passage is about, and you can write the summary in easy way. Then next question is question number 3. Answer any 2 of the following questions. This you can do from the book. This will come from your chapters. And there is a chapter, Story of Charles and Significance of Title Early Autumn. This is also a chapter, and if you have read, then you will know which chapter it is. These are from the books, textbook, English textbook. If you will buy these 2 books, then you will get to know you have to learn them, and how you will learn them I will tell you later in this video. Question number 4 is 4. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow it. This is also from your textbook. You have to prepare this from the textbook. This was from London Road. Laurie Lee was the writer. You have to learn the writer name. Writer name is very important to write in it. And identify the text from which the above passage has been extracted. This question is asking about the text from which it has been extracted. This was London Road, Laurie Lee, writer. This is important to write. Writer name is very important. What did the narrator of the story feel when he became lonely? This question is also from the text. You have to learn this answer and you have to write it. What did he desire from his family at the moment of loneliness? This same answer will be in the book. Give meaning of the underlying words. These are the underlying words. You have to give meaning of them. Trapped, stably, solitary, reluctance, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to prepare your vocabulary. If you will go through your book, you will get them in the book and the meaning also. Now next page. Question number 5 is about grammar, and you have to learn grammar learn or understand it and practice it. Grammar will come through practice. The more you practice, the more you will get from your grammar. First, question number 5 contains A, B, C, D, and E and F part. First, A is about voices. You have to change the voice. Second, change the narration. Third, complete the following sentences. D is about articles. E, prepositions. F, WH questions, 5 WH questions. They will give you any kind of scenario. Like they have given you, suppose you happen to meet an officer of health department, compose 5 WH questions to ask him about the safety measures taken by the Ministry of Health to protect people from heat stroke in summer. Be sure to use 5 different WH words each time. What are WH words? WH words are who, how, what, when, where. So these are the easiest one that you can do by your own. Also you can create your questions, and this also is this grammar you can get from the book to practice on. The more you will practice on, the more you will get on your grammar. Then question number 6, I have made a video for this. You can watch that video. And question number 7 is very important, that contains 15 marks again. Spare half an hour for this question. Question number 7, write essay on any one of the following topics: cyber crimes, issue of beggary in Karachi, my favorite travel destinations. Is very important in Pakistan studies also. If you have learned this in your Pakistan studies question notes, then you can write over here also. There are many things that are repeated in English that are in Pakistan studies also. And in Pakistan studies, if you have learned Pakistan studies notes, you can write in English also the same topics if they are coming. Next is